I'm going to do a beef stir fry. Before I get started, I made a marinade, but the marinade was very simple. And I got some tiny strips of beef. And I'm just going to cook them for a couple of seconds, then take them out. And then we're going to saute some veggies. I'm just going to do a couple of pieces just so you can get to see. You can marinate this for 15 minutes. I actually use, they have this in the local supermarket. This is made, it's like soy sauce, but it's made up of a lot of soy, which is also very good in, you know, for your health. Just put this in, turn this up a little bit. That's sizzling, if you can hear. Right, while that's going ahead, I'm going to just show you over here how I make this. I'm going to make a little sauce to go over the veggies. So we're going to use a teaspoon of the salt, tamari sauce, where is it? Or a couple of ounces. And then I'm going to do the same amount with rice wine vinegar. Like just a pack of brown sugar. That kind of keeps it like glazed. And 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. And some cornstarch. Going to mix that up, and that's going to go over the veggies. After we're done, I'm not going to put garlic, or I'm going to actually just put a little bit of white pepper in here. And it's very salty from the soy sauce. Come back over to here. We're going to turn this over. The meat's going to go back in there, but I like to just start it on its own. And then we're going to add some garlic and ginger. Now I don't use carrots, so they cook quickly before, but we put them in. Then we have some orange peppers and red peppers. We're going to saute that up. You can smell the ginger and the garlic. It smells so good. And this is really eating the rainbow. We're going to add some spinach in there in a minute, but not quite yet. The carrot's nearly done. We're just going to give it a couple more minutes. We can even add that back in. And spinach, iron, which we need. There's some proteins and ions in here. We're going to add the spinach. I'm going to just let that cook up. But I did do one earlier, and I will show you. And I actually put that on a bed of whole grain rice. Another good mood food. All right, so let's go over to the finishing product while that's cooking up. So here is your stir fry. Okay, put a few sesame seeds at the end. So you see the spinach in the different colors. It's on whole grain. And then I cut up a blood orange this week. Blood oranges are really, really in season right now. So sweet, so delicious. And just to finish off, our water of the week is just the plain lemon water because the lemons were beautiful.